In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an electronic signature in Google Forms. This is a handy feature, especially if you're collecting formal responses or approvals and need that extra layer of authenticity and verification. So let's dive right in and explore how you can seamlessly integrate this into your existing Google Forms workflow. First, you'll need to have your Google Form open and ready to go. If you're not already there, head over to Google Forms and open the specific form where you want to add the electronic signature. Once your form is open, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots right beside your profile picture. Click on those 3 dots. This menu gives you access to more settings and tools that can enhance your form. After clicking the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can find various tools and extensions that can add more functionality to your Google Forms. Now, with the Google Workspace Marketplace open, you'll notice a search bar at the top. This is where you'll type in Bolo Form. Bolo Form is an excellent third-party add-on that facilitates adding electronic signatures to your Google Forms. It's well regarded for its simplicity and effectiveness. Once you've entered Bolo Form into the search bar, press Enter and it should appear in the search results. When you see Bolo Form in the list, click on it to view more details about the add-on. You'll want to pay attention to the reviews and ensure that it meets your needs. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and click the Install button. You might be prompted to grant some permissions, which is standard when adding new functionalities to your Google account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. With Bolo Form installed, go back to your Google Form. You will now have the option to add an electronic signature field to your form. This option should be available in the Add-ons menu, which you can access from the same 3-dot menu you used earlier. From there, Bolo Form will guide you through the process of placing a signature field in your form. And there you have it. You've successfully added an electronic signature to your Google Form. This feature is particularly useful for documents that require formal authorization or consent. Just remember, the key to a well-functioning Google Form is ensuring that all the elements you add serve the purpose of the form and enhance the data collection process. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.